So today I am going to talk about one mostly searched questions, that is whether artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning all are same or they are different from each other. Or I can say that artificial intelligence versus machine learning versus deep learning. And these three are very important, or you can say emerging trend now. So I think that it will be better if I'll go through them, go through an analysis that whether they are same or they are different. Well, myself, Dr. Dibya Bora. So let's start. First of all, let's go through some important definitions. Taking the first one, that is artificial intelligence. And this artificial intelligence is a kind of science, like you have biology, you have mathematics. Okay, so artificial intelligence is a science and it studies ways to build intelligent programs and machines that can creatively solve problems, which has always been considered a human prerogative. Got my point? So actually, through this science, artificial intelligence, we try to impose intelligence to machines. And as they are artificial, so that's why this term artificial intelligence. And this area, actually, this artificial intelligence science is a combination of different other fields like mathematics, you know our computer science, sociology, then we have neuroscience, we have psychology. So every other fields from their contribution actually will be able to develop artificial intelligence. Okay, so different fields contribute towards artificial intelligence. And the term this artificial intelligence was first coined by John McCarthy in 1956, and that's why he actually known as the father of artificial intelligence. And he has coined this term in his first academic conference on these subjects. So basically, this AI analyzes its environment and takes actions that maximize its chances of success. So through AI, we always try to observe the environment. You will get some concept like agent environment. And if you want to study more about that, if you want to know more about that, then you will find my lectures in the, you know, artificial intelligence. Then you will find the link actually in the description box below. Please go through it and have a look at that. Then you will get a better idea about this environment and agent concept. Okay, now as my aim in this lecture is just to find out the similarity and differences between AI, ML, and DL. So basically, I'm going to give you a brief intro. So AI typically analyzes the environment and takes actions that maximize its chances of success. So always tries to increase the chances of success. And that's the goal of artificial intelligence. Then machine learning. Now, if you ask me that whether machine learning and AI are same or different, then I'll just point you one thing, that the concept of set and subset. Subset belongs to a set. So similarly, machine learning is the subset of artificial intelligence, and that provides systems the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So basically, through machine learning, which is a subset of AI, we try to build some algorithms. Like you can cite neural networks, and that will, with those algorithms, actually, we try to solve the problems. Clear? And ML, that is different from traditional programming in the way that here we have the data and we have some previous output. We'll feed them to develop those algorithms. And those newly developed algorithms in future will analyze some new data and thereby predict some good outcome or accurate outcome. Okay, that is ML. So that's ML is a subset of artificial intelligence. Then we have deep learning. Deep learning, sometimes also known as deep neural learning, again a subset of machine learning. You see, in the previous examples, right, I have given the example of neural network. Okay, that kind of ML algorithm. So here, again, deep learning, where we use neural network, is a subset of machine learning. That means to say that deep learning belongs to machine learning. And this deep learning uses the concept of neural networks to analyze different factors with a structure that is similar to the human neural system. Got me? So deep learning is basically, you can consider is as a model that is a bunch of deep neural networks. So we have seen that deep learning belongs to machine learning and machine learning as a whole belongs to AI. That's the relation between them. So they are not actually same, but they are interdependent on each other. So this figure, now you can clearly observe the difference or similarity between them, among them, sorry. So this is the big circle denoting the artificial intelligence. Then this is the blue one is the machine learning, which belongs to artificial intelligence. So a subset of artificial intelligence. Then this we have neural networks that belongs to machine learning, and with those neural networks we create deep learning. So this is the smallest circle. So that as a whole belongs to ML. So this figure, I hope, clearly means gives you the answer what you are actually used to search into Google, or what is the main goal behind this lecture. Clear? Now we have different types of AI. Just for some extra information I want to draw, we have three categories. First one is known as narrow intelligence or narrow AI. Second one is known as general intelligence, that is also known as strong AI. And the next last one is the artificial super intelligence, or I can say strong AI. From currently we are having the applications with narrow or weak AI. That is the present. We are moving towards future. That is this strong AI. Then in year again, more after more research, we might have some system with strong, or you can say the artificial super intelligence. And this all three belongs to type 1 of AI. Type 1 basically consider the capabilities. Okay. So narrow AI, that is the most common and currently available AI in the world of artificial intelligence, which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. But it cannot perform beyond its field or limitation. So this is weak AI. But currently we have this one only. You probably heard about Deep Blue. And this is the first computer to defeat a human in Siege. You know the Siege game? So this is the first, probably you heard about it. So this Deep Blue system or computer defeat a human in chess. Not just any human, but he defeated Gary Shep, this one in 1996. Okay. So Deep Blue system defeated Gary Kasparov in 1996, and it could generate and evaluate about 200 million chess positions per second. And to be honest, some were not ready to call it AI in its full meaning, while others claim it to be one of the earliest examples of weak AI. Another famous example is AlphaGo, and this program won in one of the most complicated games ever invented, learning how to play it and not just calculating all the possible moves. Also, it defeated one of the world champion in this Go game. Okay, so these are the examples of weak AI. Just in the next session of this lecture, I'll discuss about the rest part of this session, okay, of this lecture. So get tuned. I will come with a new lecture of this series. Well, bye bye.